Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new visiting. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made a couple of really cute picture frames to go in the baby's room. I feel like you guys are gonna like this one because it's quite unique. It's not something I've ever seen before in the shops. Shout out to my husband for his creative input on this particular DIY project. It was his idea to hang them on the strings. So yeah, thank you for that, huzzy. Yeah, so if you keep watching the video, you will get to see how I made the picture frames to go in our baby's room. I think it looks so cute. They were super easy to mount onto the Hessian. I literally did it in like a case of, let's just say 20 minutes. It was that quick, or even less, so it's really nice and easy. The Hessian string was quite thin actually, so what I did before filming was I braided them just to give it a bit more sturdiness, because the picture frames, they've got like the little gloss front, so to make sure they weren't gonna just like snap and then the picture frames fall down and break, I decided to braid it just to make it nice and sturdy. So yeah, if you look here actually, you can see how thin the Hessian is. Yeah, on the hanging picture frames that you'll see, the picture frames are currently just white because obviously we haven't got any pictures of the baby yet because baby's still in my tummy. So once baby is here, obviously we're going to be able to take some really cute pictures to put in the frame. So that explains why they're empty at the moment. If you feel it may be of use to someone, or somebody may just like to see it to get inspiration or whatever, please do share the video. Please give me a like if you like what you see. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to chatting with you guys in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.